Hello, this poem is called The Stars, the Birds and the Wielded Froe. I saw stars tonight glinting through the skylight at 5:30, the earliest hours of dawn. Orion, Gemini shedding their pale light, glimmers that set out before the world was born. Listening, I heard no stellar music play, but awakened birds were sounding in the mist that covered the low ground, meadows of cut hay. On the edge of town the sun had not yet kissed. Pensive now I wonder, sitting on my bed, who else might be conscious to see and hear this? The immensity of space, the time that's fled, along with our pastoral inheritance. These fields were once salt-covered at the springtide, drained long before Victorians came to bathe. Then agriculture bloomed to feed the hungry, so farming drove the way of life countrywide. Who knows now of coppicing, the split ash wands, the wielding of an iron froe by man and boy, to weave the hurdles once set by rustic hands, or ash rings for the sails of a fishing hoy. It's not so long ago this land was in crop, that's now awakening to the traffic's boom. The stars were then as now, the birds will not stop. But I must soon arise and leave this small room, and I must go and join the traffic's loud boom.